The 50 most used verbs in Spanish. Los 50 verbos más usados en español. To open, abrir. To close, cerrar. To learn, aprender. To teach, enseñar. To drink, beber. To eat, comer. To search, buscar. To find, encontrar. To walk, caminar. To run, correr. To start, empezar. To finish, terminar. To give, dar. To ask, pedir. To write, escribir. To read, leer. To go, ir. To come, venir. To play, jugar. To work, trabajar. To sit down, sentarse. To stand up, pararse. To bring, traer. To carry, llevar. To get in, entrar. To get out, salir. To tell, decir. To want, querer. To see, ver. To call, llamar. To meet, conocer. To know, saber. To understand, entender. To think, pensar. To speak, hablar. To listen, escuchar. To travel, viajar. To return, volver. To make, to do, hacer. To be, ser, estar. To arrive, llegar. To stay, quedar. To cook, cocinar. To live, vivir. To have, tener. To take, tomar. To put, poner. To pay, pagar. To can, poder. To need, necesitar.
¿Quieres seguir practicando? En la descripción del video encontrarás más actividades para practicar. Dale like y suscríbete a mi canal.